welcome back to my channel, The Makeup Phase. So I know it's been forever since I've been on, but you know, with the holidays and everything, I just needed to take some time for me and kind of just get some stuff cleared out. I've been cleaning house, which is always good. I was definitely inspired by the Netflix Tidying Up, which if you guys have not seen it, I highly recommend watching it. It is amazing. Marie Kondo is just so inspirational, and again, I highly recommend you guys watching her and learning wonderful tips to bring joy into your home. Yes, we are all about that, especially bringing in positive vibes for the new year. So, back on, and I know this is so late, but we are doing our January unboxing. So if you are just tuning in for the first time, welcome. And if you don't know, I get 2 subscriptions, one from Boxycharm and the other one from Sephora Playbox. However, this will be the last month that I will be getting the Sephora Playbox. I just feel like their samples haven't been super great, and Boxycharm has just kind of completely won me over. So until I can find another subscription that I really think it's worth the money and the samples and everything else, it will just be Boxycharm going forward. However, let's just enjoy our samples now, and yeah, I think it's just time to get started. So as usual, I'm starting with Boxycharm. So if you're not familiar with this subscription, it is $21, well technically $19, and then 21 plus taxes. Well, 19 plus taxes, 21. And you get deluxe to full-size samples, and I mean, honestly, they have picked out so many great things. So as soon as you like fill out your profile, you will be able to get matched with amazing products. I think it is so great. I mean, if there was something you were ever questioning that you wanted to try, this is perfect. I get full-size palettes, lipsticks, moisturizers, hair products, and now that they rolled out the Boxylux, it is so incredible. I highly recommend it. They are not paying me to say this. I am just really in love with it, and I just wish I would have done this so much sooner because I have been completely blown away. So let's see what we got in our January box this month. If you guys are ready to get it, I mean, sorry it's coming out so late, but this is the Boxy and Chill. I thought it was so cute, and it looks like it's supposed to be just like a fun thing to bring in the new year. So it's starting with Briogeo or Briogeo. And this is the Roscaro Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioner Spray. So this is what it is. And as you can see, look at the size of this. It is big. Most samples you're gonna get are gonna be like this much. Like, this is why I love getting this subscription, is because it is absolutely amazing in its samples, and I feel like I can actually feel out the product and know that I like it or dislike it, or maybe, you know, it has some potential or it's only good for certain times. This subscription allows me to really do that. So I am definitely excited because I always love leave-in conditioners, and Brio is one of the better brands in it being much more like natural and less filled with parabens and all that other junk that we do not need in our skin or in our hair. So yes, next one is OFRA. This is the long-lasting liquid lipstick, and this is in some color that I don't know, Miami Fever. So here you go, and it's kind of like this like orangey terracotta color, which is interesting. So let's put it on. Okay, so that's it. So it's not something I would normally put or I would normally choose, but again, I'm always open to try new things and explore, like, you know, territories that I've never tried before. And I think this is going to be a very interesting color. I really think it's going to be perfect for the summertime and really getting that nice bronziness in, but we shall see. All right, so next one is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Eyeshadow Palette Volume 1. And here it is. So it looks like people got various different of these palettes, and mine is the something. I don't know which one it is, but I know that it was one of the various ones. Uh-oh. And look how cool this actually comes with the little how-tos to create different looks. That's so awesome. So this is it. And I wish it would tell me which one this one is, because I know there's multiple ones. This must be just like the start of it all. But here we go, brand new. This is the colors. How gorgeous are they? Definitely perfect for this time of year. We got some nice shimmers and two mattes, it looks like. So definitely something I will be using, and I cannot wait to try future looks with it. So what is next? All right, so next on the list is Tatcha, which who does not love Tatcha? I am obsessed. These are the Luminous Dewy Skin Face Masks, and I get 2 of them. Oh, yes! Oh my god, so I live for masks. I love them, and I love Tatcha. Oh my god. Just listening to her story was so incredible. This is an amazing company. If you want something that's gonna be so great for your skin, this brand is it. So I am so excited, so excited, and I can't wait to try it. All right, so last is the $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. So this is it. This is really kind of something. So it has a spoolie at the end. And then let's check this out. So it looks like a pencil and spoolie, which is always incredible. And it looks like it likes to glide, which is so awesome because I am totally against tugging and pulling, which creates wrinkles. So don't do it. I am definitely going to love this, and I cannot wait to try it. So that concludes all of my Boxycharm items, and as you can see, they are super rocking. Like, how can you not want to sign up and be a part of this? Alrighty, so next one is the Playbox by Sephora. So again, I'm not crazy about the packaging. I think it's a downgrade from when they first started, but whatever. Okay, so this is Your Beauty Future. And as you can see, they give us like our little beauty scopes. So since I am Aquarius, we will read it. All right, so for Aquarians just want to live their best free-spirited life. That non-conformist attitude means you're more likely to start trends than follow them. Lean into your creative side and you will be rocking next year's must-have hairstyle before anyone else. Sounds a lot like me. All right, so let's get it started. So let me just take these out, put you over there. All right, so it looks like our first one is Bite Beauty. This is the Matte Cream Lip Crayon in Glace. Not sure how that's pronounced, but that's okay. So another lip product, and this is actually bigger than I anticipated. Usually when I get like bite samples, they're like this small. They're cute, but they are super tiny. But I like a dusty mauve. Ooh, look. So let's see how this comes out. All right, so it definitely is matte. As you can see it there. So this is gonna be interesting. I'm definitely gonna be able to use it because I love me some mauve. So definitely a good start. Ooh, and then another fan favorite, Belif Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. So let's find you Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. That looks like you. So there we go. So as you can see here, again, not crazy about the sample sizes. It drives me crazy. Because like once you pop this open, unless you use it all, you can never reuse it again. But this is a replenishing mask that hydrates and revives dry, dull skin while you sleep. And we can all definitely use that with this crazy winter time. I feel so bad for everybody that is up north. I'm here in Miami and I'm like freezing right now. Like it's crazy. And I'm like, we're not even in snow. So I can only imagine what you guys are going through up north. All right, so another fan favorite is Sunday Riley, and this is the Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. And that looks like this one. So I really do love this. I think it's so great. The only weird part about it is that it smells like roses, but like dead roses. And I'm not a big fan of that smell, but other than that, it is so great. I've tried this before and it is a fantastic product. All right, so next one is by BeautyBlender. This is the BeautyBlender Cleanser Solid Pro. A charcoal-infused soap that removes excess product dirt and oil from makeup tools, which I love this. I think when it, like their soaps are really fantastic. I love them. Other than Cinema Secrets, like this is definitely one of my top things to clean all my brushes and other kinds of tools, just to really get in there and like get it nice and deep clean. So yay, love that. All right, so next is Drunk Elephant, and this is Lala Retro Whipped Cream. Ew, yes. So this little baby thing here, as you can see, is a rich whipped moisture that nourishes dry, dull skin, delivers dose of hydration. So it definitely does feel wet, like it's crazy. Doesn't really have a smell. Not really. But definitely another great thing to use, especially in this dry season. And now the last for this month's bonus is Marajo. I think that's how it's pronounced. Deep Nourishing Cleansing Cream and Deep Treatment Butter. A hydrating shampoo and conditioner that nurtures with botanical oils, rich butters for luxurious, healthy looking hair. So it is this little set here. And I am always in for some nourishing and deep cleansing. So again, another thing I will be trying out. So I'm a little more impressed with this one. This one was a little better. Again, I'm not crazy about the sample sizes that they give. This is my biggest complaint a lot of time, because you really don't get a chance to try things out, like other than something like this where I know I'm gonna be able to get, you know, like really good usage out of it. A lot of stuff are only one-time use, and how do you find out if you really like something unless something catastrophe happens and your face is like breaking out or something like that. So like that's The only downside, I'm really kind of blown away by this because this never happens. So I'm excited that I actually get a product that I get to use more than once. So yeah, that concludes all of my subscriptions, and we are approaching only one more month until I get another Boxylux, which if you guys haven't seen what I got for December, I would definitely go back and look because it was so exciting. I got all these products, like it was definitely $300 worth of product only for less than 50 bucks. Like insane, and it was totally worth it. I absolutely loved all the products that I received. And if you guys are not signed up, if you can like make room in your budget for it, it is so awesome. So the Boxylux happens on a quarterly basis, and what you do is you get billed for what you'd normally get for Boxycharm, and then you have an additional like 28 bucks on top of that. And so you got everything you would get in your Boxycharm plus more. And who does not like more? I certainly do. So I hope I didn't bore you guys too much, and I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. Well, this unboxing, not really tutorial, but I hope it was helpful, and I would love to hear what you guys got in your boxes. Definitely don't ever hesitate to let me know below. And if there's anything else you want to see, I'll again throw it down in the comments. I am always monitoring my comments. That being said, I know I had so much to say, but I also have one more thing. I will be participating in the AIDS Walk this year. It is kind of something that is dear to my heart, as I am becoming more and more a part of our community and everything that I can do. And this is definitely something that is a serious threat to all of us, honestly. And I am raising funds to help contribute to this amazing cause and prevention, and anything to help what is happening now to stop AIDS and to kind of prevent people from, or prevent it from further spreading. I'm definitely all for that, and I could definitely use your help in raising funds, and I will attach the link below so you guys can be able to donate. Every amount counts. It really does. $1, $5, any little bit counts for me. And I am doing something a little extra, so if you guys donate $20 or more, I will be throwing out some grand prizes, and those could range from a brand new product to even a free makeover. So again, it's a little incentive just to kind of boost up a little bit more of your donations and make it worth it. So I mean, again, a little bit, every little bit counts. I am happy with whatever you guys can donate, and I appreciate your support. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting, funny ass videos, and hopefully you'll get some tips. And until next time, my loves, stay warm, and I will see you again soon.